What's up, guys? We got a 2021 Red Eye. Look how beautiful that car is. This thing was special order. You know what's going on with these vehicles, of course, they leave them on full brakes, take rims and tires, or they break the window, jump in, they plug a laptop in your diagnose plug and they clone the key and take off. And the other thing that they're doing now is going underneath the car and cutting out the catalytic converters out of the vehicle. So yeah, it's a real pain. But what we end up doing to this, we added the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. That way, you know, he doesn't have to carry another remote control. And the end results would be like if you would have gone out and installed an aftermarket alarm system. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window. The alarm will trigger. Okay, I'm going to arm it again. Basically, it's the whole car from bumper to bumper. The shock sensor is fully adjustable. You know, we pretty much have the sweet spot after doing hundreds of these ever since they came out. Sometimes the client wants it a little more, but you know, you're always going to run the risk of more false triggers. So I don't recommend that too much. And either the way, is either somebody's going to break a window or not. As far as the lug nut locks go in your vehicle, you should put 3 per tire. Don't try to bank on the ones that come from factory. I would just try to, you know, stick 2 or 3 if you can. And what they do, they put a socket in. You'll see it in the bottom of the video. They hammer it in by pressure, which the shock sensor will love that in order to retract them out. But I'm going to go ahead and bang on the tire. Normally I do the rim, but it's got sharp edges, so I won't do that again. One time I did that and it was like, wow. But anyway, yeah, so this is basically bumper to bumper. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. By the way, let's do the remote start so you can clearly see that the remote start will work. Okay. Car's running. Sometimes we get people that will say, hey, you know, somewhere, I don't know where they read that if you do the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm, the remote start won't work, and that's not true. We never had that issue, at least on our kits. I don't know what other people do with other kits, but the ones that we sell here, you would not have that issue. Okay, then I'm gonna arm it. By the way, when you arm a factory alarm, you always got to give it that 30-second delay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it like a few like 10-15 seconds, and I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the passenger side. The alarm will trip. It's got a nice color to this vehicle. Okay, I'm gonna get, this is a light bang for vibration. It should not go off. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on it harder now. Okay, so this concludes the shock sensor add-on to this Red Eye. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist. We're based on Miami, Florida. If you're out of state and you want to get this done, go ahead and give us a call and we can address you how to get this done in whatever state you live in. Thank you for watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814.